In parts 1 to 3 of my video series on assessing data science talents for hire, I shared tips on how candidates can be evaluated on various competencies and addressed how expectations for potential hires change based on the experience required for their position. In this video, I'll share some thoughts on the structure of interviews when hiring data scientists and some general tips for conducting interviews. Companies have different interview approaches to evaluating data science talents for hire. Some have one interview round, not including the interview screen done by HR, and others have 2 rounds. Some include a hands-on assignment as part of the evaluation process, and others don't. When both a hands-on assignment and the usual verbal Q&A interview are part of the evaluation process, there is often a debate about which one should be done first. For example, if the hands-on assignment is demanding on both the candidate's and employer's time, the company could consider doing the behavioral or team fit interview first. That way, if it's determined that the candidate is not a good team fit, the candidate's time is respected by not having to do the hands-on assignment, and the employer's time is respected by not having to evaluate the assignment. On the other hand, if the hands-on assignment is structured in such a way that it is not demanding on both the candidate's time and employer's time, then either assignments, the hands-on or the verbal Q&A, could come first. For some general tips on conducting interviews, firstly, use a diverse panel of interviewers with different strengths, backgrounds, and personalities for varied perspectives. Secondly, encourage the interviewers to provide a numeric score of candidates on each competency, technical, data storytelling, and so on and so forth, and also their general observations along with a recommended decision for hire, yes or no. The combination of these elements fosters a more holistic decision-making process. That concludes my series on assessing data science talents for hire. I hope you found it helpful.